Hey, stock and options traders, welcome back to the channel where your success is my top priority. If you don't already know, my name is Karl Domm, and I am the only instructor on YouTube that has shared my P&L with the daily balance since late 2019, which includes every market environment, a bull, sideways, grind down, and crash market. No one else has shown their real P&L in all market environments on YouTube. In this video, I'll be taking you on a journey through my trading accounts, showcasing my actual P&L or net liquidation for the month of October 2023. For 29 years now, I've been mastering the art of online stock and options trading, and now I want to share my expertise with you. If you're here to learn and want to determine the worth of a stock or options course, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. And my goal is to revolutionize this industry and bring transparency to the forefront. I believe that if an instructor makes promises when selling a course, they should prove their credibility by sharing their account P&L. And so far, I believe I have influenced a couple others to share their P&L. Now, not only that, but share the volatility of their account's P&L. It's important to understand how much the account value fluctuates, which means how much did the account move up or down in value. If your account made a 20% return, but it was down 60% at one point, then the 20% return is not a good return on risk. Sharing the P&L volatility is important because the real truth lies in the risk-adjusted returns. And that's why I share my P&L and the daily moves of my accounts so you can see the real results for yourself. And I wouldn't buy a course from someone with any expectations who doesn't share their P&L. And I hope you believe the same. And that's why I'm proud to say that in this video, I'll be taking you through my real P&L for the month of October 2023. So let's get started. Are you ready for some real trading results? I've got 4 separate trading accounts running in 4 separate systems, and I'm eager to share the results with you. But before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what the market did in October 2023. And this will give us a better understanding of the challenges my systems faced over the last month. And as a premium selling options trader and a quantitative trader, I categorize market moves into 4 types. The rising bull, number 1. Number 2, the sideways market. Number 3, the grind down market. And number 4, the crash market. Okay, October 2023, here's what happened. We can see here that the, first of all, this is the SPX, so it represents the S&P 500. And we can see here that the market ended here, this level, went higher for a little bit, and then came down and ended right there, minus 2.13%, so down about 2%. So this month, I would call a grind down market, more of a grind down market rather than a sideways, or obviously not a bull market. I would go with October 2023 as a grind down market. Something that's interesting too, if we go to the end of July, it's the last day of July here, we can see that August was a down month. We can see that September was a down month, and we can see that October was a down month. So we had 3 months down in a row, did not crash during that time. So the market has been grinding down for 3 months now. And as I've mentioned before in my live stream, the market has not recovered from the highs of the end of 2021. So it's still down approximately 12%. The market's still down 12%. We're almost coming up on a 2-year mark where the market has not recovered for almost 2 years. It'll be at the end of this year. If it's down, it will not have recovered for a 2-year period. Right now, it's down 12% since the beginning of 2022. Now, this type of market is probably challenging for some premium sellers. The problem with some of the premium sellers out there, these level 4 traders, is that they have trade structures that are more directional than they are taking advantage of the edge in the difference between implied volatility and real volatility. And because they are more directional, whenever there's a decent directional move, those trade structures can lose money. But overall, For the month of October 2023, we had a grind down market. The truth is, the market's direction is unpredictable. It can go up or it can go down. And that's why it's always a good idea to have a non-directional system in your portfolio so you can eventually be profitable no matter which way the market moves. Welcome to the world of level 5 trading, where the rules are set in stone and profitability has been proven. My proprietary trading systems are designed to make money no matter what the market environment, and they are the only ones of their kind. With a focus on level 5 trading, you can bypass all the lower levels, level 1 through 4, and go straight to the top level without having to spend years learning and mastering lower level trading systems. But don't take my word for it. I've taken over 30 online stock and options courses from YouTube instructors, and not one of them offers a level 5 trading system. In fact, I've yet to see proof that a level 1 through 4 system can be consistently profitable in all 4 market environments. So if you're looking for the real deal, you've come to the right place. Join me in this journey and witness the power of the level 5 trading for yourself. And if you come across any other instructors who share their P&L, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for instructors with real results and real portfolio P&L being shown. And I am not talking about spreadsheets. So if you're ready to see my P&L for October 2023, let's dive in. So next I'm going to get into my 4 separate trading accounts. The trading systems are: number 1, the Safe Wheel; 2, the Earnings Edge Alerts; 3, the Premier Level 5; and 4th, I have a new system that I am testing out. So first, the Safe Wheel strategy. This is a strategy I give away free. Every Monday morning at 7:15 a.m. Pacific time, I do a live stream and trade the account live right in front of you. I also answer any and all questions about the system in order to help people so they can learn it. And the easiest way to find the live stream is to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Now here are the results for the Safe Wheel for October 2023. Okay, how did the Safe Wheel do in October 2023? We can see here we started around 65.70, actually 65.79. Didn't do much, kind of up and down, and kind of worked our way up. Not a lot of volatility. What are we at here? 68.09 down to 66.87, so like $120 or something like that. You know, not a lot of volatility for almost a $7,000 account. We see we ended here at 67.84. So let's do a little bit of math there. 67.84 minus what we started with, 65.79, $205 is the increase. Let's see what percent that is. Divide that by 65.79. And we're up about 3.1%. And that's compared to the market being down over 2%. So that's a good month for the Safe Wheel. Second, I trade my Earnings Edge system. This system is based on trading certain stocks coming into earnings. The goal is to turn a small account into a large account. And this system has some volatility, so I would start small with like $5,000. And what I like about this trade is it's long gamma, which creates asymmetry. So asymmetry is kind of like hoping for a large move in the stock, either up or down. And the more it moves, the more profitable the trade becomes. In October, with the Earnings Edge, I traded 4 stocks: JPM minus 224, Tesla minus 1179, Microsoft plus 210, and McDonald's minus 560. Now I started with a $5,000 account, and I look to make 1 trade a week when earnings trades are available. And my goal is to make large profits with smaller risk. Since my upgrade in October of 2022, my results are a record of 15 wins, 16 losses, and 6 break-evens. And that's a win rate of around 50%, with the average loss of minus $641 and the average win of about $961. Since inception, which is January 2022, my returns are approximately 48%, and this includes paying all commissions. Now, I recently lowered the price of the alert service to only $149 a month. I've also recently launched the Earnings Edge course so you could trade this on your own. The cart is currently closed in order to buy the course right now, but you can get on the waiting list using the link below. So let's dive into the Real P&L for October 2023 for the Earnings Edge. Okay, looking at the Earnings Edge, had actually not a very good month at all. A lot of volatility, had like 3 losing trades, 1 slight winner. Was not a good month. Started with $9,300. And you can see here, lost on the first trade, lost on the second, made a little bit on the third, probably lost, and then come down here at the end of the month at 74.10. So you can see that did not have a good month with the Earnings Edge, and that's what the Earnings Edge is all about. Sometimes you're going to have drawdowns, and it's risky, and there's no doubt about that with the Earnings Edge. All right, well, let's do a little bit of math. We started with 9,300, ended with 74.10, so down $1,890, and the percentage down 20% on the month, 20.3. Okay, so if you ever get involved with the Earnings Edge, know that we can have some drawdowns here, and it is volatile. For the Earnings Edge for October of 2023, not a good month, down 20% for the month of October. Third, I trade my Premier Level 5 system. After designing various systems for 29 years, I finally developed the system in 2022 as the culmination of my efforts. Now, here's the Premier Level 5 results for October 2023. Okay, looking at the Premier Level 5, again, there's no reason really to look at the risk graph. It's not accurate at all. I mean, it says that the account has $31,000 on it when it has, $36,000. So this is just not accurate because I'm trading futures, options on futures. So I do have what the balance was last month at the end of the beginning of this month, $35,803, and we ended at $36,014. So I'll do a little bit of math here. You can see that I'm doing this video on the next day, so 1 day later. So we ended at 36,014, and we started the month with 35,803. Made $211. And about 0.5%. So just basically break even, up about 0.5%, with the market down 2%. So still outperforming. Drawdowns very minimal with this, about 1/4 the drawdowns with this system compared to the S&P 500. So for the month of October 2023, the PL5 is up around 0.5%. The Premier Level 5 system is designed to capitalize on all market types. And looking back, since I started trading it live, showing my account with 100% transparency on my monthly results since April 8th of 2022, the Premier Level 5 is up approximately 19.5%. And this includes paying commissions. It's had an approximate drawdown of around 3% since then, while the S&P 500 is only up around 2.37%, with a max drawdown of around minus 13.58%. That is an outperformance of around 17% with only 1/4 the drawdowns. That is superior risk-adjusted returns. Remember, outperforming isn't just about achieving higher percent returns. It's also about considering the amount of risk you're taking. Any expert in the field will emphasize the importance of risk-adjusted returns. To unlock the secrets of the Premier Level 5 trade system, I offer the Premier Level 5 Masterclass program where I teach every detail until you can trade it on your own. At the moment, this program is not accepting any new clients. However, you can subscribe to my email list to receive any early notifications about when the waiting list will reopen, and this will give you a chance to secure your spot and qualify for learning about this system, as I am limited in the amount of students I can teach. The PL5 system requires only a small time commitment of 15 to 30 minutes a week to manage the total portfolio. The minimum recommended capital is about $30,000, but it could be traded with as little as $15,000. And the trade requires span margin. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your trading game. See a link in the description for the waitlist. Next, I'll get into my fourth account, the new system I'm testing out. I reset this account to $200,000 at the beginning of this month, which would be October 1st, 2023. And I'm very bullish on this test system, and therefore I'm going to share the results moving forward. Now, here are the results for my fourth account for October 2023 that started with exactly $200,000 on October 1st, 2023. Okay, looking at the new system that I haven't decided really what to call it per se. It's more of an experimental thing, but I have a lot of confidence in what it's going to do. I think it's going to do quite well. Again, I took money out, right here, this is where I took the money out actually on the October 6th, where I took it down to $200,000. So I withdrew money out of the account, got it to $2,000. I'll just call it October 1st, even though it was on the 6th. And you can see it steadily rose, even with the market going down. Nice equity curve. Ended at 204,982, starting with 200,000. So with this system, it ended at 204,982, started with 200,000. So made 49.82, divide that by 200,000. Up 2.4, let's call it 2.5%. So this new system here up 2.5% when the market was down 2%. Nice outperformance. I do not expect the drawdowns to come anywhere close to the S&P 500. I think people here know how I trade. I don't like drawdowns. So there you have it for the new system. Just want to see if I can prove the proof of concept here. So of course I run it in a real account with the real money. So there you have it for the newer system here for October 2023. For those with a smaller trading account, I offer two options. The Safe Wheel, which you can follow for free or get the Fast Track course. And second, the Earnings Edge Alert system, which is designed with some risk and higher reward. If you're interested in learning how I trade options and aspire to eventually upgrade to the Premier Level 5 system, currently the beta enrollment for the Premier Level 5 program is closed. I plan on opening the doors again in early 2024. So right now you can join the Early Bird VIP notification list by clicking the link in the description. Check the link in the description for more information on the Premier Level 5, the Earnings Edge Alerts, and the Safe Wheel.